How to divide a page in Notion. This is one of the easiest ways to organize your content and create clean layouts. Whether you want 2 columns, 3 sections, or split design, Notion lets you rearrange blocks in just few seconds. So let's start. And the first way how you can divide page in Notion is by columns. So firstly, what you can do, let's say I have 2 databases like this, and I can click on those 6 dots next to database 2. I can hold it and I can drag it next to the first database. And then it's going to create like 2 databases like this next to each other. And you can add as many as you want. Or you can also simply do like slash column, and you can simply select, let's say, 5 columns, and this is going to create 5 columns like this. So this was the first way. Now let's say you have text like this and you want to add like some divider. So what you can do, you can press slash and type divider. And this is going to create this simple line, which is going to divide this text from this one. And you can also add a vertical divider. So instead it is horizontal, we can add vertical. So what you have to type is, you want to type slash quote. And this is going to create this black vertical line. Now, if you want to make it larger, you just have to press Shift plus Enter, how many times you want. And after that, you want to drag those 6 dots next to it, next to this first text, till you see this vertical blue line. And this is going to create another section divided by this black line. And now you can simply copy this text and you can paste it over here in this new column like this, and this is going to be divided vertically. Or you can also just simply drag it like this in the new row, and then you can drag it like this. All right. So this was a quick video how you can divide a page in a Notion. And if you found this video helpful, consider subscribing for more tutorials like this one.